Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your currency on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now click on the Me icon down below, which is the last option. After that, tap on the settings icon at the top. That's the third option. Here, select the currency option. As you can see, you have a bunch of options here, such as dollar, euro, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you would like to use. And now, as you can see, this feature or spec has been updated, so feel free to come back to this section in order to change your currency anytime you feel like to do so. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.